Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market as usual on Monday. So since yesterday recent week was relatively short due to the Easter holidays, and actually today is also the holiday in some countries, in Germany for example, Easter Monday, so activity today also hardly will be significant. And mostly on the higher time frames, on the weekly, on the daily chart, mostly everything stands the same. So today we could speak only on some performance on intraday charts and watching for some patterns, discuss a few moments. First of all, on the daily, on the weekly chart, you could see nothing is going on. So market stands for a fourth week in a row in a tight range. So the standing in tight range near the strong resistance, this is a potentially bullish moment, especially when you see such an acceleration. But here we should recall what the background was for this rally. This is not some improvement in purely Bitcoin fundamental background. This is not big events in the cryptocurrency sphere. This is just a byproduct of the deposit run out of the stressed banks. So that's the reason. And since this is, well, this makes no really improvement to the overall cryptocurrency market, so its effect of this factor might be over as fast as it has started. So from that standpoint, yes, from the technical point of view, it looks really nice, but the background remains overall situation tricky. And although market stands in a tight range that mostly suggests that it might be upward action, because usually market forms the tight consolidation under resistance, building an energy, preparing for a breakout. But this breakout might be in the way of the wash and rinse or something of that sort. So we also should be ready for this. So on the daily chart, it's also bullish background, as we said, and actually here we already mentioned signs of the bullish dynamic pressure. So we have the bearish MACD on the daily chart, but price action is not bearish. It stands flat, even forming some high lows, and this is also the sign that market should show some upward action. It may be in the way of some spike and complete at least 2940 area. So this completion of the OP, which is actually minimum target of the hand shoulders pattern that's not completed yet. So also here could be a wash and rinse or something of that sort. And second moment that we need to keep an eye on in a way how market will break this up, if is already talked about this probably break it up and stands above it. This is one story, but if it shows just wash and rinse, grabbing stops above this area and collapse right back down, this will be absolutely different story. So this is another moment to watch. So additionally to the 2940 on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have this 31 target. It's approximately 3090, so slightly above in 2940. Here is its difference relatively significant, but if you'll take a look on the daily chart, it will not be as big different. So it means that the upward breakout, if it will happen, it should be somewhere between 2940 up to the 31 area. So this is the destination point of the upward breakout. The OP here is based on this ABCD pattern. So for our time frame chart. Besides, if you measure the width or height of this consolidation and count it to the upside, you will get approximately the 31 target. So this will be, well, from the classical point of view, the usual market passes in the direction of the breakout the same distance as a height or width of this consolidation. So from that standpoint, it also makes sense to consider, this target. So that's what about the targets. Speaking about the position taken, so definitely currently with this all background that we just have discussed, we are not considering any bearish positions by far. And on the bullish side, if you remember, we talked about intraday bullish patterns, and we said keep an eye on the patterns inside of this consolidation. So previously we talked about this gutless triple 2 buy that has been formed. This works nice. And take a look, and today approximately as market is moving further inside of this range, we could get another one that you also could keep an eye on. So if you haven't taken a position already, have closed the previous position based on the initial ABCD here, gutless triple 2 buy, there's another one that might be formed, especially because we're getting this week inflation numbers. So based on this pattern, it seems that the chance for position taking should be somewhere around 27.50, right there. So it's some kind of the AB equals CD pattern be completed, some kind of the point that you keep an eye on, possible long entry. And actually, guys, I suppose that this is probably 618 support, this upper direction. So theoretically, we even could try to check this 618, right? So you can see this will be also the 618 support of this upward swing, and it's another reason to keep an eye on. So that's actually, guys, the only thing that we could share with you today. It's not really big events happening right now in the Bitcoin market. So let's keep watching. Maybe this week, situation somehow will change.